Welcome to our channel Bright Maths. Let us learn about the Cartesian product. The Cartesian product of two sets A and B is denoted as A cross B. So in problems, if you want to find A cross B, just combine the numbers in the sets A and B and write it as ordered pairs. We have to write all the possible ordered pairs. And we know that the union is denoted as A union B. We have to combine and write all the elements in A and B. And we know that the intersection is denoted as A intersection B. We have to write the common elements only. And also the set difference is denoted as A minus B. We have to write the set of all elements in A, subtracting the elements which is given in B. In problems, just see the common elements in A and B and subtract the common elements from A and take and write the remaining elements from A. So that is the set difference. Now let us see the problems. Let A equal to the set of all natural numbers less than 8. B equal to the set of all prime numbers less than 8. C equal to the set of even prime number. We have to verify the result. A intersection B cross C equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. First, let us write the numbers in the sets A, B, C. Here A is natural numbers less than 8. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the set B is prime numbers less than 8. That is 2, 3, 5, 7. The set C is even prime number, that is 2. Now we have to verify this result. First let us find the left hand side. Left hand side, take the bracket first. That is A intersection B. See the sets A and B. We have to write the common numbers only. Here we have the common 2. And then 3 and then 5 and also 7. So the common numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7. Now take the left hand side, A intersection B cross C, that is equal to A intersection B is 2, 3, 5, 7 cross the set C is the number 2. We have to take the cross product, that means combine and write all the ordered pairs. So take the number 2, combine with this number 2, that is 2, 2. Write it as ordered pair within bracket like this. Next take the number 3 and combine with this number 2, that is 3, 2. Next take this number 5 and combine with 2, that is 5, 2. Next take the number 7 and combine with 2, that is 7, 2. So this left hand side, take it as equation 1. Now we have to find the right hand side. A cross C equal to the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross the set C is 2. Now for this cross product, just combine and write all the ordered pairs. That is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. This is A cross C. Next let us find B cross C. that is equal to, take and write the set B 2 3 5 7 cross the set C is 2. Again just combine and write all the ordered pairs, that is 2 comma 2 3 comma 2 5 comma 2 7 comma 2. Now for these two we have to take intersection. See the right hand side. So the right hand side is A cross C intersection B cross C. Since it's a result, it's always true, so just we can take and write the answer 1 here, because 1 and 2 should be equal, and just write the answer here, and we can check the answer. Check the common element, 2 comma 2 is common, and also 3 comma 2 is common, and 5 comma 2 is common, and also 7 comma 2 is common. So therefore from 1 and 2 we get the answer A intersection B cross C equal to A cross C intersection B cross C. Same question. The set A is the set of all natural numbers less than 8. That is A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The set B is all prime numbers less than 8. That is 2, 3, 5, 7. The set C is even prime number, that is 2. Here we have to verify this result, that is A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. First left hand side we have to find B minus C. From the set B subtract the set C. If we have any elements we have to subtract that, and we have to take and write the remaining elements from the set B. So for that in problems just cancel the common elements and write the first set always. Here the common element is 2, so just cancel that 2 and write the remaining elements from the set B. So the answer is 3, 5, 7. Now let us find the left hand side. A cross B minus C equal to, the set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross B minus C is 3, 5, 7. Now for this cross product, combine and write all the ordered pairs. First take the number 1, we get the ordered pairs 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. Next take the number 2, we get the ordered pairs 2 comma 3, 2 comma 5, 2 comma 7. Next take the number 3, we get the ordered pairs 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5, 3 comma 7. Next take 4, we get 4 comma 3, 4 comma 5, 4 comma 7. Next take 5, we get 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5, 5 comma 7. Next take 6, we get 6 comma 3, 6 comma 5, 6 comma 7. Next take 7, we get 7 comma 3, 7 comma 5, 7 comma 7. This is left hand side, so take it as 1. Now right hand side, see the first bracket A cross B. So we have to find A cross B. Take and write the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross the set B is 2, 3, 5, 7. Here also just combine and write all the ordered pairs. So taking the number 1, we get 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 5, 1 comma 7. Next taking the number 2, we get 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7. Next, taking the number 3, we get 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7. Next, taking 4, we get 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7. Next, taking 5, we get 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7. Next, taking 6, we get 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7. Next, taking 7, we get 7, 2, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. This is A cross B. Next, we have to find A cross C. So, write the set A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cross the set C is 2. Now, combine and write the ordered pairs, that is 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. Now see the right hand side, we have to subtract these two sets, that is A cross B minus A cross C. And here note that this is a result, so we have to get the same answer. So in exam we can take and write this first answer here. So just repeat this left hand side answer here and then check the answer. How to check this answer? Here this is set difference. So if you want to find the difference of these two, just cancel the common elements and take and write the first set. So here we can cancel 1, 2, cancel 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7, 2. So use just pencil, cross the common numbers and take and write the remaining elements from the first set. Here the first set is this A cross B. So take and write all the remaining elements. So already we have written the answer. So just check the answer. 1, 3, 1, 5, 1, 7, 2, 3, 2, 5, 2, 7, 3, 3, 3, 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 4, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 5, 5, 5, 7, 6, 3, 6, 5, 6, 7, 7, 3, 7, 5, 7, 7. So therefore from 1 and 2 we get A cross B minus C equal to A cross B minus A cross C. Thanks for watching.